Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. This winter we found a recipe that will give you relief in your cold, cough, flu and body pain. For that, you're gonna take 1 tablespoon of turmeric powder, ginger powder half tablespoon, cinnamon powder 1 tablespoon, black pepper powder half teaspoon and mix it all well. Here your instant tea mix is made. Store it in an airtight jar. Now add 1/4 teaspoon of instant turmeric powder in a cup. Then pour hot water 1 cup, lemon juice 1 teaspoon. After lemon juice, you can see the color changing. Then add half teaspoon of honey and mix it. Here your instant turmeric tea is ready. This will help you in reducing flu, cough, cold or any type of body pain this winter. Let us know in the comments down below how much do you like this recipe.